So you might have noticed that purple is not a color you typically find in the Mini configurator. That's because it's not offered. However, if you come to this dealership, you can literally get any color roof or stripe you want on your car. And this one is just one of many that this dealership has done. You have seen a car literally identical to this one on the channel, although that one was in black. This one's in Miniac white. What you haven't seen is what the dealership has done to it to make it even more unique. Those are in fact purple stripes, and that is in fact a purple roof. This is a common thing for the Mini dealership here. Baron Mini is known for this. They are known for taking plain Jane cars and doing rather unique and sometimes even crazy stuff with them. If you go back through some of the videos I've done in the past, this dealership has done some crazy stuff with Mini Coopers. This one is rather tame compared to some of those previous cars. This is a Miniac white Cooper S with the JCW package. Inside you have the standard JCW interior, JCW dash, the steering wheel, all the nice bits that you want in this particular car. But here's what happened. The manager ordered this car originally in black. He changed that order to white. Now, in black, you don't necessarily need a contrasting roof, so he left it with a black roof. When he changed the order to white, it unfortunately changed the roof color to white. So this car arrived basically a blank canvas, kind of like a race car. You typically find those in a white gel coat or even a white wrap, and there's carbon fiber or fiberglass underneath. It's usually a blank canvas, and this car was basically that. There was really nothing unique about it aside from the fact that it had the John Cooper Works package. So what do? You do something crazy. And that's exactly what they did. The stripes and the roof vinyl are done by Motoring Stripes, Todd Pearson. He does fantastic work. He's done all the vinyl on my car, and this car is just another one of his latest creations. And it's just really cool. The white paint with the matte purple, it's just a great contrast. I almost wish the mirror caps could be done in purple too, but you can't do that, at least not right now. Look at this. This is just a really cool looking car. You have the 17-inch wheels with the JCW brakes back there as well. You have the 201 horsepower engine. You have all the space you need. You have all the stuff you need. But you also get this unique look that you're not going to find on any other Mini. And they even did the stripes down the back. Now, he even went through the trouble of wrapping the inside of the spoiler, which is very impressive. That looks really good. And now it looks like the black spoiler here is just floating on that purple roof. Now that is just a cool look. The four-door Minis are actually really pretty now. They are a very good-looking car. They weren't always a good-looking vehicle. They've done a lot of stuff lately to make them just pop. This JCW package is one of those things that does that. But adding these personal touches like these stripes, that roof, those are things that just add a little bit extra to an otherwise plain car. This car has presence. You are going to see this car coming down the road. Now, me personally, I'd even go as far as adding OZ wheels, maybe in black like the ones on the convertible in the showroom, maybe with a purple detail on the center cap. In fact, I know of a vehicle that has that wheel, and there it is. There is the purple vinyl on the center cap. So put the OZ wheels on with those center caps, that car would look even more incredible, and possibly even lower it. That might make it look even more cool. But as far as everything else goes, it's a very good looking car. Miniac white has actually grown on me. I was very disappointed when they canceled pepper white. This color just seems to work, and I think it's because there's no yellow hue to it. It's a true white paint, so any color would look good against this car. This just looks really good. The gloss black trim, the white paint, that purple roof, those purple stripes, great look. Now, if you happen to come to Baron Mini and you buy a new Mini and you want this kind of stuff done, you can personalize the car. You can make it your own. You can add accessories, you can add wheels, you can add stripes, you can add a roof graphic if you want to change the color of the roof. This is one of the few dealerships I've ever encountered where they will change the car to suit what the customer wants. The customer brings the car in, this is what it arrives as, and they say, oh, I would like this stripe, I'd like that stripe, I'd like this color, I'd like something different, maybe I want pink stripes. They'll do it for that customer, and that's what sets this dealership apart. That's why you're going to find more unique Mini Coopers here than pretty much any other dealership. But if you want cool looking wheels, you want cool looking stripes, you want a different color roof, Baron Mini definitely does that. And if you like what you see on this channel, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video. And thanks for watching.